Ah, damn, y'all can see that? Feel like some shit biting me in the water. I'm about to get the fuck out of here.
Jumpin', 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 jumpin'. Yeah. Nigga always thought twice, but fuck it, I dove in. Lock the front door, I'm whipping the stove in. That gas keep coming while you thinking we gon' win. Long night hustling, but fuck it, I'm chosen. Full pocket fool was bringing them bowls in. Trapping out of school till they brought them boys in. Shifted to the stove, was mixing that potion. Long night hustling, but fuck it, I'm chosen.
We out here in Jamaica. Goddamn. Tour guide Kirk over here. We over here walking through a whole bunch of, I don't even know where we in Ocho Rios right now, but I don't know exactly where. St. Mary. This shit crazy, man. I just landed yesterday. Excuse my forehead, my shit shiny. Landed yesterday. I was spending like 2 weeks out here. Dog down right here, trying to record. Spending like 2 weeks out here in paradise, you know, tap back in with my roots. And yeah, we going to Waterfall, so I'm just show y'all the view and just stop talking. Damn, this shit look crazy.
This is Sunshine State, where we get shit poppin'. Niggas in the store, lows, whole hood be watching. Better lock your doors, cause them young niggas robbing.
Hey man, so we inside the waterfall waters right now. Kind of stuck. Try to get up there where. Oh shit! Ah damn, y'all can see that? Feel like some shit biting me in the water. I'm about to get the fuck out of here. I try to get up there, Dan up there. Can't get up there without his help, so looks like I will be making my exit.
Say they watching all my moves while I'm in my city. Can't let a nigga take my soul. Oh Lord, be with me. Walking down this long road, clutching on my smitty. Ain't no hiding, ain't no missing. If you want it, come and get it. Ain't no love up in my city. Niggas dying by these bitches. This the oldies I'm fucking with when I ride with your bitch, nigga. Might fly your bitch out, nigga. I'm from that Sunshine State, where you scamming, I'm trapping. If you got you a sack, keep a strap for niggas who flagging. Keep hoes out my face, cause bitches be capping. Pass by bitches and Benzes, I'm like, nah, who laughing? I just stay out the way, it be too much madness. Feeling like Frank White, I ain't giving no passes. Everything temporary, goes up before it crashes. Man, shit fuck you. Yeah, I got my own bread.
Finish the hike back at the rendezvous point. Very nice lady over here. Made us some fried breadfruit and fried green plantain. Coconut jelly. Coconut water. Little spoon. Danielle. Kirk. That being said, I got way more videos coming to y'all. Just stay tuned. We got some more events later down the week. Got them all. You just got to tune in, man. Just turn on the post notifications. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, we gonna get into it.
Snapped on the pictures, bro.